bayan ng
Next
uphold
year man ang ano pa, wala.
the ideals and purposes of this
Na sila,
organization.
lain na po mag-fully po next year.
To
Election mo
perform
next year,
my
di ba?
duties
Di ba next year?
to the best of my ability and
Di ba election
capacity
mo next year? Pag umama na nila.
without fear and
Next year po,
favor,
election na po, no?
Umana ang eleksyon eh.
with the aim in view
next
of
year na, sir.
furthering
Next year na po.
Eleksyon na sir.
the mission of this organization
Oo na po, door to door na po
and
sa mga
advancing the
kasama.
interests of the school and community to which it is dedicated, and to conduct myself in a manner
Wala lang na...
befitting a good and responsible officer.